Hi, so I'm Devyani. I live in village Tillu with the community Tillu has and the students we have. And we also run small programs on educational projects and help students from government schools, colleges, and low income private schools and communities. Right now, we are here for this amazing movie which is talking about values and which is very important for all of us to think about at this stage in life, in this generation specifically. So we brought our team, our students here to witness what is it all about and to think about it, going back to their villages, taking the learnings back to their students, to their peer members, communities, and thinking how it's going to take a turning point or change in their lives as they think about their core, their values, their I think the humanity in general. So thank you for the opportunity.
Myself is Manjula Nani Narayan and I am from Mumbai and I got married to a Himachali. My husband is Himachali and both of us has made a very beautiful house and resort we are making in village called Thatri. Khaniara se upar, there is a village called Thatri there where we are making 100% sustainable resort. So basically I am a filmmaker. So we got to know through social media that there is a Tibetan film festival is going on and we both of us, we love His Holiness and we really adore him. So this was our great opportunity to see. Yesterday we saw the first movie 14th Dalai Lama. It was so emotional. Throughout the movie, I was crying. Throughout the movie, I was crying. And there was so much of learning for His Holiness life. My God, मुझे लगता है कि the one life is not enough to grasp that teaching. And I'm very, very grateful for Tibetan community and all of you to make this festival available for all of us. So thank you so much. The first film 14 Dalai Lama was so emotional and it was so much of learning. The second movie, The Joy, my God, I laughed and I cried together. It was amazing, amazing. My God, I was just wondering how did that make it possible? He कैसे बना लिया है इसको? And the Dalai Lama and the Tutu was both of them, the two great spiritual leader together was so amazing. So thank you so much. And today we saw the Dalai Lama ji ki mother ke upar the great Tibetan woman. My God, it was again so compassionate. I was just continuously throughout the movie, I was just thinking of my mother because all mothers are very compassionate. They teach all the kids the same, the love and respect. It's like a something inherent as a woman in all of us. So thank you so much for making this possible for all of us. And I'm really praying and hoping कि ऐसे बहुत सारे festival हो and you please invite us, all of us. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So my name is Raman Siddharth. I am from Himachal itself, and all my childhood I spent in Dharamsala only, and was very much aware of His Holiness since my childhood, as my father was a bureaucrat. So I've literally grown up with his energy and with his blessings. But as I grew up, I went to London for good 25 long years and came back. I'm into filmmaking, but I think now each and every word His Holiness says is more relevant than even the previous past history. Anything and everything he says is absolutely relevant to the the present time and the future. So I think we all are very, very lucky to have him, and seeing him in physical form walking on this planet. So it is absolutely remarkable to have somebody like His Holiness. Now, coming back to the Tibet Film Festival, we attended yesterday also. And we saw both the films, 14 Dalai Lama, amazing insight about his, journey, his suffering, and then coming out of his suffering and, giving so much back to the society and building up the whole society back again. And, and then this film called Mission Joy. My God, man. Peggy Callahan, wherever you are. I mean, yesterday we were together. What a film she made. I mean, bringing somebody like Desmond Tutu, Archbishop Desmond Tutu and His Holiness together, and these two towering giants of spirituality and righteousness, putting them together, and their childlike play was, it was like once in a lifetime to watch them together on the silver screen. So kudos to Peggy and to Tibet Film Festival for bringing such a marvel. And today again we attended this film on motherhood. Amazing insight about His Holiness Mother and how she brought him up, and this is why he is what he is. It all starts from the mother. So it is absolutely wonderful to be here, and please, Tibet Society, please carry on doing these such beautiful, lovely festivals, and invite us, and we'll be the first one to be here and give our contribution. Thank you very much. Thank you.
My name is Kavita and I am from Khanyara, a village in Lunta. I really like this movie. It's about mothers and I am very lucky to get this opportunity, and it's really good movie.
मेरा नाम समीक्षा है और हम एक NGO से जो है समता टिल्लू, जहाँ पे हम बच्चों को पढ़ाते भी और ख़ुद भी पढ़ते हैं. I am very happy to watch this movie. This movie is very beautiful because the movie is a mother related, mother sacrifice to home. मैं घर में जाके इस मूवी के बारे में ज़रूर सोचूंगी, क्योंकि ये मूवी मदर से रिलेटेड थी और सच में बहुत अच्छी थी.
अपना नाम और
मेरा नाम समीक्षा है.
Yes, my name is Komal and I am from Khanyara. So I'm very happy to watch this movie, think about mothers and values, and I see some related Tibet values. So I'm so happy for this watch movie.
मैं एक बात बताऊं, कल यहाँ से निकलने के बाद दलाई लामा जी के सारे जो उन्होंने कोट किया हुआ था मेरे माइंड में चल रहा था, और मैं बोल रही थी कि काश, क्योंकि ये एज अ हिंदू, ठीक है, मेरी एक विश है कि काश हमारे जो हिंदू गुरु है दलाई लामा जी की तरह हो जाए. देखिए, जो पूरे वर्ल्ड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, एक कम्युनिटी के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे लगता है पूरी दुनिया कितनी अलग हो जाएगी. हम सिर्फ प्यार की बात करें, सब अपने हैं.
जितने भी इंटरव्यूज करी है, मैं बोली मुझे सिर्फ पावन पूज्य दलाई लामा ही नहीं है, क्योंकि वो जो प्रचार करते हैं वो खुद जिए हैं. इसीलिए सिद्धांत जो है ना,
And yet he is so down to earth, and he's never pretentious, and he's so joyful.
हम ये पूरा वर्ष जो है करुणा वर्ष के तौर पे मना रहे हैं, तो अपने अंदर की जो करुणा है, जो लव है, जो अफेक्शन है, जो हमें अपनी माँ से मिली है और परम पूज्य दलाई लामा जी से मिली है, उसको जागृत करके हम इस समाज को बिल्कुल एक स्नेहपूर्वक समाज कैसे बनाएं.
थैंक यू मैम.
Helengi tsogugam sang changmalo la bawal hamun etash tele an changmalo kusu deu yigire an tharingi ngen tung khari medi nabatu changmalo ngi YouTube ki thumbnail si chai yigire an
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
an dingen tung bine changmalo la lesson kechimo din right samgidu an tharingi ngen tung di ani sui ko la yime di nge nabaso lawaina an tharingi ngen tung di handa raja da sonam case ki thola anda update sawa sargan chileshra Woding in Nabasuyamdula and the shared show Samso, and Samolo Ninto, Mutuni Tamabu Sirona. O number so, and the Tiringi Netsuti and Samolo Manchi Kingore, and the Raja the Sonam case Tola, in a number so like his king Menarda, and the Dorduji Hua Enarda, and the Raja the Sonam Lana Surlana, Raja Lana, the Kawajire, and the Sonam Lana Kimejor Doya, and the Koraniga Changsa di and the arranged marriage Changsa Gadwa.
Stop it. Get some help.
What? What the fuck?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Natural dermal cell energy amplification system. So dikhachi na kiranga ji skin like tamik wala puffy eyes to yuna and digi jam chugire and kiranga ji skin dry skin dead cells zo and dila help chire and pimples to yuna and dezol help chire.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.